Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Neymar Junior in eFootball Mobile. First, we'll cover the primary ways to acquire top players, focusing on special agent draws and player packs. Then, we'll dive into specific events that often feature high-profile players like Neymar. Stay tuned for tips on how to best utilize your in-game currency and maximize your chances of adding this superstar to your squad. There are a few key ways to bring Neymar into your eFootball Mobile team. Special agent draws are a primary method, often featuring specific players for a limited time. Keep an eye on the in-game shop for player packs that might include him or offer a higher chance. Additionally, participating in various in-game events can sometimes reward you with top-tier players or the resources needed to sign them. To boost your chances of signing Neymar, strategic resource management is crucial. Save your eFootball coins for when he is specifically featured in a special agent or player pack. Regularly complete daily and weekly challenges to earn extra coins and GP. Also, stay informed about upcoming in-game events and player releases, as these often present the best opportunities to acquire highly sought-after players. Remember, acquiring a player like Neymar Junior can take time and a bit of luck, so patience is truly a virtue. Keep playing, stay engaged with the game's events, and enjoy the process of building your dream team in eFootball Mobile. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the pitch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.